Hey AussieDoodle fans, sugar babies are almost 6 weeks old. Today's Friday and they will be 6 weeks old on Sunday. But we're giving Robin puppies a bath, so we thought, hey, let's give sugar babies a bath. You guys ready to get your bath? Are you ready? It's gonna be your first bath. Alright, here we go. Alright, this is Sugar Baby's first bath. We always do a bath video when they're 6 weeks old. And we use a gentle puppy shampoo, something like this. It's good to keep it out of their eyes. We keep it out of their ears. We don't want anybody to get an ear infection or anything like that. And we want the puppies to have a good experience on their first bath. So if we see somebody getting scared or anything like that, we will, kind of back off of that puppy. And we don't torture them here at AussieDoodle, but they do have to get their bath. They always do great. All the puppies, they're a little bit timid of it at first. They'll always get a bath at like 6 weeks old. And then they get a bath usually at 7 weeks old, and then one more bath right before they go home. Robin's puppies are in here too. They just got a bath as well. They are almost 7 weeks old. Alright, you puppies. Morgan and I, we have a little assembly line. We've got our shampoo, we got our conditioner, and we rinse them down, and then we put the shampoo on, then we rinse them off. It's a lot of fun. What do you puppies think, huh? Hi Finn. Hi Tom Tom. Hi Leilani. Louie. Yuna. And Maverick. What do you think, Finn, huh? All the puppies are doing great. Everybody's fat and sassy. I know you've seen them on the puppy cam. They're starting to get wild. The commotion you hear in the background, that's a couple of Robin puppies having a little wrestling match while we're doing this. Oh, Louie. Good boy, Louie. Here's Leilani. Get your bath, Leilani. Come here, Tom Tom. Everybody's doing great. Nobody's scared. What? Is it spraying you? Sorry. What are you puppies doing? Huh? I see you.
Conditioner.
Alright, gotta do the conditioner step. You okay, Finn? He got a little water in his eye. Aw, Finn, you're okay, buddy. You're okay. Yeah. What about you? These are going to be some good smelling puppies after this bath. And then tomorrow we'll do their 6 week old pictures. the puppies are still eating soft food. They're not nursing very much anymore, maybe 3 times a day. Sugar is about had it with these puppies. She's not real excited about nursing them anymore, which is pretty typical for 6 weeks old. But we still make her get in there about 3 times a day, just to kind of supplement the dog food. All right, this Yuna's done, right? All right, I gotta get Robin's puppies out of here because they're gonna be too rough for sugar puppies.
Okay.
Especially chewing today, you guys are wild. You guys are wild.
Okay, there's little Maverick. Maverick, did you like your bath? And then who do we have next? Here's Louie. There's Louie. He looks like a keeper to me. Alright. Let's see. Here comes Yuna. Good girl, Yuna. You're a good girl.
I can't tell who. Is that Tom Tom? Or is this Tom Tom?
Let's see. You have Leilani there.
Yeah, she's lighter.
Yeah. And then here's Louie.
Didn't you just do Louie?
Did I do you, Louie?
Yeah.
I can't remember. You got double camera time. Here's Leilani.
Pimpin'. Pimpin'.
Oh, you're a sweet girl. Did I do Tom Tom?
No.
Tom Tom. There she is. And who we got left there?
I don't know.
Oh, this is Finn. There's Finn. That's all of them. Alright guys, we're going to finish drying off these puppies. And we're going to introduce them to the blow dryer as well. And we will see you on one final video. Over and out.